I'm on macOS Mojave, the latest version as I record this, and I need to set up a Canon copier to my computer. Now, I've got the IP address and a fake code, and to set up the printer, I can either go to the Apple icon and choose System Preferences, or I can search the dock, find it, and launch it. I need to go over to Printers and Scanners because that's where I'll set up my printer. Now, in this left-hand side, look for that little plus button. We're going to click that. And the way we're going to set up our printer is by IP. So I'm going to click on this IP button, and the address field is going to be that address that you've been given by your person at your school who handles printers. You type that number in, not this one unless this is your printer, and then make sure the protocol is Line Printer Daemon, not Internet Printing Protocol. The name you may want to make something more friendly like Office Copier, Guidance Copier, whatever works for you. We cannot use a generic PostScript printer. I have to know the model, and I don't have it, so here's the workaround. I'm going to click on Safari, Firefox, and Google Chrome work just as well, and type in that same IP address, and look, it tells me the model of the copier. Now, your copier may or may not be a 4245. I'm going to go over here and underneath Use, select Software, and then in this filter field, type in that number, press Enter or Return, choose the software I need, and click OK. Now I just need to click the Add button, and look, it not only set up the copier, it looks like the copier. Now, if I did not have a code, I could red dot out of here and be done. But I'm going to continue as if I have a code, the department ID that is. Click on Options and Supplies, and we're going to go over to the Utility tab, and this is where we're going to open the printer utility to enter in that code. We're going to click the box next to Use Department ID Management, and we're going to find our code and type that where it says Department ID. Now, this field needs to have just numbers. Mine doesn't. And I need to verify it. Here's the workaround since it's grayed out. Click on Printer Information, and that will make this utility talk to the printer. We don't need this junk. We're going to click OK. But look, right now I've got a Verify button. Now, when I click Verify, it's going to pop up and tell me that it didn't verify, and that's what it looks like. If it were right, it would say the entered authentication information is correct. You can OK out of it and click Save Settings when you've got it all right. And now your printer's set up. So you can red dot out there, click OK here, and you've got a printer set up and ready to print.